Hey, let's make some chicken kebab. Welcome to my channel, Pangaya Cuisine, where we cook for the love of it and for the love of you. This is your Chefizo, PJ, and today we're making basic, very simple chicken kebabs with pita bread. Our chicken kebab is not going to be on skewers, but it's still going to be a kebab. So let's get in and introduce our ingredients. We have our chicken, 3 chicken thighs here, and then we have dry parsley. We have our Chefizo spice as usual. We have hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, and we have some minced garlic. Also, we have a tomato, onion, peeled garlic, and spring onions. So let's get on and make this simple kebab. So our next things chopped is our garlic. Okay, so we're using 3 garlic cloves here. Another thing we're going to add into it is our dry parsley. Okay, we'll add the rest later. So we have this dried parsley in here. So let's set it aside. Now we have a tomato here. Let's cut our tomato. So now we'll add in some mixed peppers. And then we'll add in some pink salt. Some brown vinegar. And try to toss it. Let's add in some olive oil. Beautiful. Just drizzle some more olive oil in here. Okay, good. Give it another toss. Well, the next thing, let's prep our chicken. 3 chicken thighs, all washed, and we're just gonna work with it. Let's do it. As you can see, I just deboned the chicken. That's all I was doing. I just deboned it. Okay. And also, I'm not going to take off the chicken skin. Why? Because I always think that it gives my meal a very distinct flavor and it tastes so good. This is it. 3. Now we'll bring the chicken back and let's see. Just cut them. So now this is our chicken. This is what we just got from the 3 pieces of chicken thighs. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to season it, and we'll set it to rest for a bit, and we'll start frying it. Okay, so anyway, let's get on and season our chicken. This is our chicken. What we're gonna do first, we're just gonna add in just a bit of mixed peppers here. Okay, just grind a bit in here. That's good. Just a little bit of salt. That's okay. And our Shawarma spice. Hoisin sauce goes on it. Very nice, very nice. I'll scrape it all later. Oyster. The oyster is a bit sharp, so I'm just using like a teaspoon. We're not gonna have any soy sauce in this one. Okay. And this is nice. And then we're gonna have our minced garlic. Our minced garlic is gonna go in there, just to add on to the aroma. Okay, there we go. This is what it looks like. Boom. All right, so what we're going to do now, leave it to sit on the side, and then in about 5 minutes, we'll just try to fry this, okay? Let's go. All right, here we have our beautifully marinated chicken. So let's get on with it and fry our kebab. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some olive oil in here. See, this is just simple and basic. You don't have to add too much of anything to it, but you still get delicious kebabs or delicious meats. Okay, so now let's turn up the heat. And when it heats up, we'll start to fry our chicken. Let's go ahead and toss in some few pieces. Our chicken is in the saute pan, and it's frying, and it looks good already. See, this doesn't take long, and you can have yourself a very decent meal. You can have this with rice, or you can have it with any starch of your choice, but today we're having it with pita bread. It's going to be great, believe me. Try it. Yeah, so our chicken is now fully cooked. So let's take it off the fire and put it on this plate. Okay. So I cooked it for 5 minutes. That's a lot of time, but I kept turning them around, or else, I wouldn't have had this beautiful color that I have now. Yeah, so let's take this out, and we'll introduce a second batch. Scrape all the good stuff in it. Yeah, there we go. Nice and brown. It's nice and charred. And also, natural color looks really golden. That's exactly what you want. If you want it more charred, you just leave it on fire for a bit longer. But this is how I like my chicken to be. Our second set of chicken is also almost fully fried. So we just add in ones we fried earlier. And let's toss it a bit. Our chicken is ready here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to warm up our pita bread and then we'll serve. All right, so now let's sprinkle olive oil in your saute pan. Let it heat up a little bit. And you can toss in your slices of bread. This is it. All right, so now let's toss them in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, this is soft and hot. Oops. Let's take this out. Replace it with another one. So we're gonna go through the rest that we have here. And our meal will be ready. I haven't danced in a while, man. Let's do it. All right, enough of the jokes. As I always say, flip this over, flip this over, flip this over, and flip that one over. Our pita bread are ready. This is what we have. And then now we're gonna serve our meal and we'll get done. So here we are with our chicken kebab. This is our presentation. We have our tomato and onion, garlic parsley salad. We have some chimichurri in a jar sitting here. We have our pita bread, which is lightly toasted. And then we have our chicken kebab here on the side, fried chicken kebab. You know, this is the Shafizo's production. So anything I touch when it comes to food tends to what? Finish it. So once again, your Shafizo, Prince Joseph, I'm signing out. And I'm not gonna leave without asking you to subscribe, hit the notification bell. What do you do on social media? I don't know. But follow me, tell a friend about me, and keep on watching my show. And I never leave without telling you how much I appreciate you and how much I love you. Spread the love out there and spread the word out there. I'll see you next time. Peace again.